Welcome to Jay's Learning School. On today's English lesson, you're going to learn the difference between go away, stay away, and get away. Now, before we get into today's lesson, if you're watching on YouTube and you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified of the English lessons that I release 2 to 3 times a week. And to help the show out, make sure you hit the like button. So, the first term, go away. Say that with me. Go away. Go away simply means to leave me alone. Okay? Go away. Leave me alone. It also can mean to leave a particular place. Go away. Leave me alone. I am in my room right now. Okay, so to go away means to leave me alone or to leave a particular place. So someone may come to your door and you may respond, "Go away. I'm doing my homework." Or someone may ask you, "What are you doing tonight? Please just go away. I don't want to be bothered." Or someone may ask you about another person. "How is Trina doing?" "I don't know. She told me to go away." So to go away, remember, just to leave a person alone. Now, when you say stay away, it means don't come near. Stay away. Practice saying that. Stay away. Don't come near me. Okay. So someone may have a cold and you say, "Please stay away. I don't want to catch your cold." Or someone may have bad breath and you may say, "Oh, please stay away. You need a mint." That would kind of be rude, but sometimes you have to be honest and forthright with people. So you would just tell them, "Please just stay away. Don't go near the fence. There's a dog back there. You need to stay away. Stay away from the snake. It may bite you." Okay? Stay away. Now, get away means to take time off or a vacation. To take time off or get a vacation. So you may say, "I just need to get away this weekend." Or, "I'm going to the city because I need to get away." Or you may be at work. "I am so stressed out. I need to get away." So you need to take a break or go on a vacation. You need to get away. You need some time to yourself. I need to get away. Now, here's some more bonuses I want to add just to those three. Walk away, okay? To step away from a situation or from a person. You simply walk away, okay? They were arguing and he just walked away. I'm not going anywhere. I will not walk away from you. Walk away. All right. Now, here's another bonus: fire away. Fire away, to speak freely. So, someone may ask me a question: "What do you think about this particular car?" Or I may say, "What do you think about this particular car?" And I'll say, "Just fire away. Tell me what you want to know. Give me the information." Fire away. Okay. "I want to tell you something about that young lady." Fire away. Okay. "Give me the information. Tell me about the young lady." Someone may ask you, "Have you been to a restaurant?" And I'll say, "No." "Can you tell me about it?" Fire away. So you're going to just go ahead and speak freely about a person, a thing, or a situation. So down in the comments section, let me know which one of these terms that you learned about today that stuck with you. Or how would you use it in a sentence? Walk away, fire away, stay away. Let me know down in the comments section. Make sure if you're not a subscriber to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I just started a new Instagram and I've got 2 followers, so I'm so excited about that. I would love for you to be another follower. All of the information to my social media accounts is located in the description of this video, or if you're listening to the podcast, in the description of this podcast. Thank you so much for listening. Go ahead and practice your English. Listen or watch this video 2 to 3 times so you can get better at speaking English. I hope you join me next time right here on Jay's Learning School.